is going to be the elevator at the James C. Kirkpatrick Library at UCM in Warrensburg, Missouri. It's at Otis. It's a Series 1. It's a hydraulic, but this is one of the most unique Otis Series 1s I've seen in my life. This is usually what you would see in their traction elevators, but this was hydraulic. Let's go up to 3. Hello. Elevator. Let's get a cab view going up. But I did forget to mention this is a glass elevator. It's very nice. There's only one suit of light in here. It's an Otis. Feels very smooth. ADA phone. We'll go up, we'll look out the windows. Then we'll grab the other elevator. Send that up. And we'll grab the other elevator. There goes that one. And let's grab this one. Doors are slower on this one than the other one. 3. Chimes are kind of loud. Down to 1. Same elevator as the other one. Very bright lights. couple round trips. Why not? 3? Center open. Look down the shaft down there. Down to 1. Send this one up. No, actually, someone in the other letter. Let's catch him. That's not it. It's like a drag race in that or something. Nice leveling. Nice architecture. Go up and down one more time and watch the indicator. Just this indicator this time. 3. There goes that one. It's going down. 1. This one has a different color phone in it.